students, differential means what? So, we begin with, or to start this session with, some kind of limitations. What is limitations? So, I start with limitations. What is the limitation? Limitation means I just wish to make certain boundaries to you. What is the boundary and what is the limitations? See, I think you may follow what I am going to have now, what I am going to teach for you. That is limit. In differential, limit is the first concept to start with. Any differential without limit, there is no differential first. That means, what is the definition of limit, what is continuity, all that you have seen and you have learnt in previous lesson or the same topic, but I wish to give some limits leading to few problems. Now, this exercise 9.2, limit extends to 1, cube root of 7 plus x cube minus square root of 3 plus x square by x minus 1. Remember that 7 plus 1, 7 plus x cube, cube root of 7 plus x cube minus square root of 3 plus x square whole divided by x minus 1. Dear students, you apply the value of 1 over x. What happened? Just apply. 7 plus 1, it is 8, cube root of x, it is 2, and 3 plus 1, that is 1 square 4, square root of 4, it is also 2, by 1 minus 1, that means 0 by 0, indeterminate form. By way of directly applying this limit value to this problem, we do not get solution. So, we are not getting solution. In other words, we are getting IDF, that is indeterminate form. In order to resolve this indeterminate form into the solution, what shall I do? I should do some kind of changes over these expressions. Then I should see whether the limitation for this problem is possible or not. Let us think over here the first one as well the second one. I am going to use binomial expansion to this problem. Say many methods are there for solving this. You can take conjugate of the term and even x power n minus a power n by x minus a, like that we can take many processes, but I wish to take binomial expansion for this problem. What is binomial expansion? 1 plus x whole power n, 1 nc1x plus nc2x square and so on, keep going. So, like this I am getting nc1 is nothing but n and then x n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square, keep going. Like this the terms are there. This is the binomial expansion. This expression I wish to make it in terms of binomial expansion, so that I can get the solution in a simple manner by way of limiting x tends to 1. Dear students, you must note down here we are going to do lot of modification, for which you should know some intuitive techniques. What is that intuitive techniques means? According to the sum we have to adopt the process. Here I can take, let us take cube root of 7 plus x cube, cube root. Cube root means power is whole power 1 by 3. So, you must write properly first this one, 7 plus x cubed whole power 1 by 3. Dear student, the first term, this term involved with x power 3, okay, fine. I can do with the binomial expansion. N is 1 by 3 and 1 is this part. In binomial expansion, it should be 1 plus x whole power n only. Any sum we can do. But here the number is 7. That means, can we continue with this, or do we have to make any other term? Yes, we have to make. In what way we have to change this one? That means, the 7 plus x cube must change as something else related to this power. Related to the power. Power is what? 1 by 3. Number is what? 7. Dear students, you should know what number if I make, if I just give, I will be getting 1 over here. So this one you have to think. For example, if I have 4 plus 2 x, like this if I have, I wish to have this one as 1 plus x. For that, what do you do? 4 bracket 1 plus x by 4. This is the normal process for any problem. Is it clear? Okay. Suppose here I have 7 plus x cube. If I wish to have 1 plus x, so that means if I take 7, what happened? This is like this way. That means, is it possible to take it like that? Here doesn't makes any difference. Here there is no effect at all. But here the 7 is there. The 7 whole power 1 by 3 is something ridiculous. We cannot do proper solution for this problem. That means what I should do? Something I should do mathematically. That is what that's what I said. It intuitively you have to do something it is. So let us think here what I can do for that. This 7 whole power, 7 power something we cannot do. What I can do here, 7 plus 1 minus 1 plus x cube. I just think over like this. Now, dear students, very simple it is. If I add up 1 and subtract by 1, the number never gets changed. That means it is 8 here. That means 8 minus 1 plus x cube whole power 1 by 3. This is the term. Now let me take rearrange it. 8 bracket 1 plus x cube minus 1 by x, like this. Shall I take like this way? Is it a way? Can we continue here? So see here, 8 as it is remains, and then x cube minus 1 over 8. 8 into 1, 8. 8 bracket x cube, 8 and 8 getting cancelled, x cube minus 1. We have found out almost a good solution for this, because I wish to make binomial expansion for this problem to get the value of 1 as the first number, for which I do this modification. X 8 power 1 by 3 bracket 1 plus x cube minus 1 by 8 whole power 1 by 3. Remember students, this is 2 cube whole power 1 by 3, nothing but this getting cancelled, 1 plus x cube minus 1 by 8 whole power 1 by 3. Then now we can do any kind of modification for this applying formula, because the powers of x comes, the multiples, the powers of x, because we are applying x tends to 1 only. So if you give that x tends to 1 to the higher power, becomes 0 only. So better for that, what I am going to do here, the first 2 terms only I am going to take. First term and second term. NC1 is what? N. That is what I take. So first 2 terms I am going to take in the binomial expansion. So, first term is 2 and 1 is 1 here. In the place of n, 1 by 3, remember, into x cube minus 1 by 8 and so on, like this. This is the first term, cube root of 7 plus x cube. We can extend this one if you want, otherwise we just will leave. That is 2 bracket 1 plus 1 by 24, 3 8s are 24, bracket x cube minus 1 and so on, like this. This is 1. We have kept the value like this. Now you take the second term, square root of 3 plus x square. First one is cube root, second one is square root. Remember that. Square root of 3 plus x square, I can write it as 3 plus x square whole power 1 by 2. So, here also the 3 is the term is a problem. According to square root we have to change. What is the square root of 3? It is also difficult. So, the next term is what? 4. 4 or 8. 8 we cannot take, 16, like that we can take. But here if next higher term is 4 only, so I like to make 3 plus 1 minus 1 plus x square whole power 1 by 2. So, here 4 plus x square minus 1, like this here, first term. Next you take 4 as common, 1 plus x square minus 1 by 4 whole power 1 by 2, like this I take. Like how we have done this stage, the same way, but I am going to write straight away the formula applying binomial expansion. 4 power 1 by 2 is 2, bracket 1 plus n is 1 by 2, bracket x square minus 1 by 4 plus dot 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 higher terms I am just leaving. I am ignoring the higher powers, So, here also I can write 2 bracket 1 plus 1 by 8 bracket x square minus 1 by 4, I am sorry, this 4 already multiplied, it is not required. So, dot 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 like this, this is 2. Already 1 we had for the value of what else? Cube root of 7 plus x cubed term, and just we have written, and for that this. So, you add up both. Let us see. You take the problem here now. You add up first. This one adding or subtracting. Here the first term minus second term. So, that means 1 minus 2. I do that process now. Why I am doing? I need to get the value of numerator, cube root of 7 plus x cubed minus square root of 3 plus x square. Dear students, just take the value now. Here 2, here also 2. So, 2 bracket 1 plus 1 by 3, 1 by 24 bracket x cube minus 1 minus plus dot 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 minus 2 for this term, 1 plus 1 by 8 x square minus 1 dot dot dot, like this. Like this I found out the value. Dear students, by way of subtracting like this, can we have anything? Yes, this and this getting cancelled. In what way? This also 2 into 1, this also 2 into 1. Remember that. So here 2 and here also 2. What we can do, just multiply here. So both getting cancelled, this and this getting cancelled. So after that just you write down the term 2 by 24 of x cube minus 1 dot dot dot, we are not going to look into that, and 2 by 8 of x square minus 1 dot dot dot. Now let us take the given problem here now. So if you want you can simplify, if not also we can do it. If you are simplifying here 12, if you simplify it is 4. Okay. Now let us take this problem. Limit x tends to 1, cube root of 7 plus x cube minus square root of 3 plus x square over x minus 1. Okay, now here x cube minus 1, x square minus 1. We can recall x cube minus y cube, that is x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square. One formula, x square minus y square is x minus y into x plus y. So here there are two formulas we have taken, a cube minus b cube, a minus, likewise x cube minus y cube is x minus y x square plus xy plus y square, and x square minus y square is x minus y into x plus y. Likewise we can apply this formula here, and numerator part, limit x tends to 1, here this x cube minus 1 we will take with this, that means x minus 1, x square plus x plus 1 negative term, and for this, and we have the value c, and for that it's 1 by 12 also left over, 1 by 12, okay, minus 1 by 4 bracket x minus 1 into x plus 1 over x minus 1. So x minus 1 getting cancelled in these two parts. So remaining term x square plus x plus 1, here x plus 1, like this two terms involved. So that means you apply limiting value over here, 1 by 12. So after getting cancelled, the terms involved is 1 by 2, okay. Limit x tends to 1, x 1 by 12, x square plus x plus 1 minus 1 by 4 x plus 1, like this. After cancelling all that, this is the term exist. Now you apply limit. After applying limit, 1 by 12, 1 plus 1 it is 3, 1 by 4, 1 plus 1 is 2. So that means this 3 and this getting cancelled, it is 4, and this 2 getting cancelled, it is 2. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Finally we got 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, that is 4. Here what? 1 minus 2, which is negative 1 by 4. We found the solution of this problem as minus 1 by 4. So the steps are lengthy, remember that, but the application part of it, this is the binomial expansion. Once you learn, it may be a lengthy stages only, but sum is very simple sum, remember that. Only simple modification that we have done, only some retrospective, let me tell you. So actually this adjustment is main part, this 7 plus 1 minus 1, this stage is a very important stage and crucial stage, and while you are taking 8 common, This also you should remember, you put 8 down, and after that you apply 1 plus x whole power n, direct formula. Here also the same way, 3 supposed to be 4 minus 1 like this, and take 4 out common and this stage. After that applying binomial, then subtract, finishing numerator, simplifying. After simplifying, that x minus 1 getting cancelled, we apply limiting point only over the last 2 stage. Here only we apply the limiting point. Finally, the answer we got as minus 1 by 4 as. So simple answer. At the same time, steps are lengthy.